Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool-looking intro using CapCut. This will be perfect for your YouTube videos and other projects. So, let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then, select the template video from your photo gallery. I've downloaded the Stars Light template video on pexels.com. You can find a template video for yourself and add into the new CapCut project. Once you have the template ready, the next step is to add the text for your intro. Click here to add the text. For this example, I'm just writing intro, but feel free to write anything you like. Next, choose the font, color, and style for your text. After that, an important step is to add animation. Click on animation and look for an animation called Starlight. Set the duration of the animation to 1.5 seconds. The final step is to adjust the start of the text to match the template we added earlier. Once everything is aligned, you're ready to export your video by clicking here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.